Alright, YouTuber's gonna start the cooking part that goes on in here because it's cold and nasty outside. Alright, that's 2.5 cups of water and this Aldi Spaetzle stuff. I've had Spaetzle before and I really like it. This is imported from Germany. We'll see what's gonna happen. I said dump it in before the water starts boil. Then you get the water boiling. And then it's going to simmer uncovered for 12 minutes. If you've never had Spaetzle, it's very good. I don't know if it's good when it's out of a bag, but it's from Germany, so, you know, Spaetzle's their kind of thing. So we'll get that up to a boil. And we'll go outside and cook the other stuff. So this is mushroom Spaetzle, and it smells very mushroomy. Got to boil. Seeing a few bubbles starting. Keep stirring it. Cooking in Ottenhagen with an induction cooktop that I got here in Ottenhagen at the thrift store for 10 bucks. It's boiling. There it goes, boiling. Okay. So that came up to a boil. I'm going to stir it, start the timer, let it simmer. I'll go outside and keep an eye on pork chop. It's about halfway through. Stirring it. Keep it simmering. Smells good in here. Alright, we're almost there. I guess I could give it another minute to get it a little less soupy. About good. Alright, I'm going to turn this off. Looks pretty good. Smells really good. I don't know how it's going to taste coming out of a bag, but we'll see. I'm a big Aldi's fan. If you've never been, it's kind of a low frills kind of grocery store with limited stuff, but it's a German company, so they actually have a lot of imported foods. Alright, so on goes a pork chop. Pork fillet. Yum. Alright, there's my lovely pork chop. I'm going to put some Spaetzle on there. Some on the top, get some of the juice on it. And I'm going to plug this back in. Turn it on. Super low. And I have a can of green beans, and I'm just going to heat the green beans up with the other Spaetzle. Warm them up a little bit. And I'll come back for some green beans in a minute. But first, we're going to taste this. Alright, we're going to try this angle. Spaetzle. That's not bad at all. From Aldi's. This is a weird, different angle. Pork chop. Yummy looking pork chop. That's a very good pork chop. Let's do a flyover. For out of a bag, it was pretty good, and I think I make a good pork chop. There's a flyover. Beautiful pork chop. And some Spaetzle. And the last flyover. Tell you to have a great and wonderful day. Now that I've added the green beans. Oh, I better tell you what canned green beans taste like. They taste fine. Have that great and wonderful day you need so badly. For a quick meal, it turned out pretty well, and every now and then you need something different. I'm still enjoying that, but Vinny, you're too close, brother. You're too close. That's my knee. You're right there. Yeah, I know. All right, lay back down. I don't want you getting any hair in my food. Lay down. Why did I wake you?